Hello everyone, welcome to this special episode of UnboxID. I'm your host, Astley Ng, aka The Designer. We're here right now at Comex 2022. Join me as we go and check out all the home tech appliances at Comex. Let's go! So we've all known prismplus to be popular with their TVs and their monitors, but they've expanded to air conditioners. So can you tell us a little bit more about your air cons and what makes them so special?
Our aircon is a smart aircon where you can control everything using your smartphone app itself. So we have already launched our app in App Store and also Play Store. So the app is not only to use to turn on your aircon, set temperature or anything. You can also check the insides of the aircon, where you can check the usage of the aircon each and every hour, daily, weekly and monthly also. So you can keep track of your electricity bill.
So in a way, basically you could monitor, turn it on and off,
Yes.
basically set timing, days and when you want to switch it on and when you want to switch it off.
Correct.
So that's basically conserving a whole lot of energy. It's not just good to look at, but it's also a very green air conditioner. Everybody's talking about owning an adjustable table, especially when it's a work from home scenario. And what better place than to check out at the father of all adjustable table, OmniDesk at Comex 2022. Hi, what do we have here?
Hi, we have the HOMETECH Special here. So it's actually the latest flagship model that we have at HOMETECH. So the one that you are seeing now is actually the Feather Wood. It's actually the best seller.
So this is actually solid wood.
Yes, correct.
And as far as I understand,
Yep.
solid wood is really heavy.
Yes, it is.
And this can basically take what kind of weight?
Okay, so the recommended weight is actually
200 kg.
Yep.
So two of me lah.
Yep.
Okay, we're here right now at Line 8 and with me right now is actually Kenneth. Kenneth is the founder of Line 8. Kenneth, what's happening here at your booth?
So for here we have star buy packages that people can kind of buy to cash and carry, and we have single track packages that you can just upgrade any single socket or even customized package where we can kind of renovate the whole house. So for smart functions, we have a IoT enabled track where we can track the power consumption, the usage, when usage on and off, as well as integrate together with Google Home, where you can then do a whole smart home integration together with our power track.
So when it's a total smart home integration, you get to control your timing as and when you switch on, so you can power down and conserve energy.
Yes, that's right.
So if my son has been playing non-stop on his aftershock PC, right, I'll be able to tell.
Yeah, right.
All right, awesome. When it comes to home tech, everybody is thinking about having a smart robot vacuum cleaner to do the area cleaning of the house. But in reality, actually as a personal preference, I really like this kind of handheld one, this kind of Hoover type. You know why? Because they have all sorts of capabilities. You can take out and go and vacuum your car, which a robot vacuum cleaner does not. Now with me right now is a representative of Tineco.
Hi, I'm Nanyang from Tineco.
Okay. And what's so special about your products here?
Okay, come on, we are currently selling our S5. In one motion, you are able to mop and vacuum at the same time.
Wow, very efficient, don't waste time.
So the current power right now for our S5 model is around 220 watts.
So in comparison with the D brand, how do you compare?
Alright, in comparison to the D brand, we are talking about it being able to vacuum only.
Yeah.
However, our product is also able to vacuum and mop at the same time.
I think the vacuum and mop feature is really the main selling point, right? Because you don't want to waste time to vacuum one time, then mop one more time. So all in one action.
Alright.
Bye.